Hello there. Today I'd like to review the Handyman Manscaped Compact Face Shaver. Great little unit, portable, easy to touch up between your regular shaves, and a great travelling companion. Let's have a closer look. The Handyman Manscaped Compact Face Shaver is a well-designed grooming tool that's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a bag or even a pocket, ensuring you're always prepared for a quick shave. It's small and lightweight, ideal for travel. It has a sleek and modern look and a very comfortable grip. Provides a close and smooth shave with minimal irritation. Has a long-lasting battery life, reducing the need for frequent recharges. And it has a simple operation for quick grooming sessions. Overall, the Handyman Manscaped Compact Face Shaver is a reliable and convenient choice for those needing a portable grooming solution. It's perfect for maintaining a clean look while travelling or for quick touch-ups between regular shaves. Well, there you have it. The Handyman Manscaped Compact Face Shaver. A great little unit, portable, not too noisy, and a great travelling companion, or if you just want to touch up between your regular shaves. Hope you enjoy it.